Hello everyone, welcome back to data structure sessions. So in this lesson, we will be learning about the differences between a structure and union. We had a detailed discussion about structures and we had a detailed discussion about union also. Now it's time for you to frame out the differences between a structure and union. This is an important short answer you can mark as. In some cases, it might be a 4 to 5 marks question also. So depending upon the marks, you need to elaborate it. Okay. If it is for a 2 marks question, only this much stuff is enough. So let's see the basic difference between a structure and union. So let's start with the definition. Okay. What is the syntax of a structure? Struct followed by tag name, data type, member 1, member 2, so on. Okay, so let it be a tagged structure or let it be the other case also. But the basic thing is the keyword that we are using in case of a structure is struct. Okay, so start with this basic difference. And then you can write an example for a structure. Any example of your choice. Okay, so that it gives you 2 points. And then the memory requirement. So the memory assigned is the sum of the memory required by all the members of the structure. Okay, so if you see the case of this, for int, it takes 4 bytes. For char, it is 1 more byte, 4 plus 1. 5 bytes are required for this structure card. And then all the members of a structure are accessible. Okay, so that means you can assign values to all the members of this structure and you can read values for all the members of this structure. What is the case with union? Let's see one by one with respect to the same points. Okay, so coming to the union, the keyword that we use in case of a union is union. Here for clarity, you can write the syntax as well. And then you can give an example. Okay, so now let's talk about the memory requirement. The memory required by higher data type element. So that means here in this case, the higher data memory required is 10 bytes. So that will be the size of this union. So that is maximum memory among all the members. And only one member can be accessed at a time. So we clearly had a hands-on on this memory requirements in the earlier lecture. So if you have not watched it, I will provide the iCard for you. Do watch and then come back to these differences. It will be clear to you. If it is for 2 marks, writing only this much is enough. Okay. So extra parts that you can add is how much memory is required. You can take this example and you can tell how much memory is required. Okay. Which is how much memory is required in case of this structure. So for this structure, it is 4 plus 1 at this point. Okay, so you can say for the above structure, the memory required is 4 plus 1, which is 5 bytes. And here in this case of this union, so you can say only 10 bytes is required. Okay, so you can elaborate this depending upon the number of marks or the weightage that is given to this. If it is for 2 marks, we have given 4 points. Okay, these 4 points will give you exact 2 marks. Hope you enjoyed. If you have any queries, let me know in the comment section and please share it to all those who need this lecture. Thank you.